we've got a massive event coming up on the 24th of July, and it is the All African People's Alliance Conference, and we really need everybody in the audience and everybody on the panel, and for everyone to tell their family and friends about this event that's coming up on the 24th of July.
So family, you may have heard before, because we've been on Sister Shanice's program before and Galaxy Afiwe, to announce the development of the Rapid Africa Plan, which is a plan created by Professor Hannington to industrialize and develop Africa within 40 years. And the aim of the Congress on the 24th of July will be to bring on board interested Africans who are seeking to bring the real change to the continent and real change for our people. You know, we talk a lot. We say we want to do this. We say this must be done. That must be done. Here is a plan that has read the Riot Act. There's a book called Reading the Riot Act, and the Riot Act is about resetting the development of Africa under our terms, based on our strategies, based on our mobilization. There is a website that you can go to if you want more information on the Rapid Africa Plan. It's www.rapidafricaplan.org. It is a beautiful website with access to the registration for the conference. And we want all of you, African people, to come on board. This is your work. It's not my work. It's not Professor Hannington's work. It's not Sister Shanice's work or any one individual. Everybody must, Garvey said, organize now or perish. And we really must take up the mantle and look at what we can contribute. It doesn't matter how small, doesn't matter whether you think you don't have the skill, you have the skill. And you bring it to bear and join with other Africans to move this Rapid Africa Plan forward. Go to the website, look at the information, inform yourself, and most of all, look at how you can become involved and seriously come on board to work. I am so tired of people just talking and, you know, not doing any work. We need to deliver the goods so that our people can have a better quality of life and not be living in poverty on their continent whilst other people are milking those resources. We have a job to do, and I want to see us all mobilizing and coming on board on the 24th to join up and join the All African People's Alliance to deliver the Rapid Africa Plan. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sister Nzinga. It's just really a reminder, as well as we ponder on what's going on in the world around us, of you know, the extent to which we are being impacted as a people by policies, by institutions, you know, elites and armies and happenings that we have no control over. But as we're hearing, you know, these are the latter days. Babylon is falling, and you know, it's just hanging on to power and causing mayhem as it usually does, you know, as it falls. So we will not despair. We will continue to fight. Of course, we've got to be organized, and we've got a massive event coming up on the 24th of July, and it is the All African People's Alliance Conference, and we really need everybody in the audience and everybody on the panel, and for everyone to tell their family and friends about this event that's coming up on the 24th of July.